Colors tab is an experimental execution. Users might experience some issues in dark mode. Various apps have adopted dark mode, including YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Hulu, and WhatsApp. Apple and Google started providing a system-wide dark mode for their mobile operating systems in 2018. In 2024, Wikipedia has finally introduced dark themes for its mobile website. Users visiting the Wikipedia website on mobile might have seen a pop-up indicating that dark mode is now available. Gad Insider has outlined the steps to enable the dark theme. Go to Wikipedia's site, tap on the hamburger menu at the top, click on Settings. Under the Color section, select Dark as the option. The company mentioned that the Color tab feature is an experimental implementation, and users might experience some issues with dark mode. Currently, dark mode is only available on mobile websites. However, a Reddit user claimed that desktop users might see this option sometime this month. A toggle is available for both logged in and logged out users on every page if the monitor is 1,600 pixels wide, allowing users to increase the width of the page. Additionally, the default font size has been increased for improved reading comfort.